Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 invisible icons pinned on taskbar. So how to fix this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After that, go to your app section, go to your default apps. After doing this test, go down, and after that reset all default apps. Click on reset. After completing that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt. After opening that, first of all type this command. So I already type in notepad. Now control V, paste it and press enter. After doing this that, go to it and type this second command. And press enter. After doing this that, go to it and type this command and press enter. After doing this that, now after that type this command and press enter. After doing this that, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.